Hey, I am called to share a very special video recorded 2021. That is in mountain in Serbia. And when nature play with us, she really creates magic. This experience of finding the perfect natural pool. But not only that, I sat on the stream, under the stream, as a miniature waterfall with a perfect rock chair made naturally underneath. And I experienced something I have never experienced before. I closed my eyes with intention to cleanse all my worry, all my doubt, all the negative, uh, um, unhelpful energies, thoughts, etc. It was shifting time, and suddenly I start seeing with my third eye, with closed eyes and my third eye fully open, rainbow shower with so many uncountable different hues and shades of colors I have never seen before. And I am painter all my life. I paint, I create colors myself as well. Anyhow, that was the moment where I realized yet again there is no other killer as Mother Nature is. There is no greater force than Earth, Gaia itself. We have to do nothing. We just have to let her embrace us, let us, let ourselves be safe and healed by Mother Nature, by the water, the rocks, the earth, the sun, the trees, everything, the mud. Just let it be. Let it be Mother Nature, Mother Earth, Gaia, whatever you call this beautiful being. Let it heal you. Today is the day for sound healing, massage therapy, energy healing, soul healing, emotional healing, color healing, um, physical healing, of course, and everything else. And I just wish I knew for this spot earlier because I am leaving in 2 days. But still, it's so amazing that I found this spot. And it's deep in the mountains in Serbia. Spot made for the loners, made for the solitude which I need to prepare for great new, yet again, new beginning. And this is great actually opportunity. Emotional being, we need to really make a shift and huge transformation for new, powerful, abundant life we all deserve to live. And this is all part of learning how to love ourselves deeply, unconditionally, how to heal our past. And for me always been, and still it is, nature the ultimate medicine for all kind of healing. And when you search and your intention is to do so it's appear magically in front of on your path, perfect in a perfect timing, perfect positioning, perfect pocket of the nature, no matter where we are. So I wish you all blessed, love-filled full moon until our next connection. Bye for now.